Welcome back. A flat in Government Colony at Butler was robbed in a broad daylight on Thursday. Robbers fled with gold worth 3,50,000 and cash of 2,500. The occupant Pramod Korgaonkar has filed a complaint at Panji police station. Robbers also tried to rob a neighbouring flat, but their attempt was foiled.
On Thursday between 9 to 1 in the afternoon, some robbers ransacked a flat of Pramod Korgaonkar. He works in the mines department. The couple was out for the work when some robbers struck the flat. They fled with gold and cash. Gold ornaments costing almost 3,50,000 and cash of about 2,500 was robbed. Cupboard and drawers in the house were broken. The robbers entered by breaking open the main door. The flat is based on the third floor. People from neighbouring flats informed that robbers also tried to break open a flat on the ground floor but could not rob anything as the family has recently shifted to the flat and the belongings were yet to be shifted. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Mining in the state may not resume even in October if the mining market and export duty on iron remain same. Goa Mineral Ore Exporters Association has made it clear. Executive Director S. Sridhar spoke to media on Thursday. Legal formalities, documentation and procedures for mining resumption will take another couple of months. Currently, 80% miners' revenue goes in paying tax, royalty and duties. Sridhar says even raising the mining cap may not help mining resumption.
So this export duty market is low. Even the market low, export duty has to go. After export duty has go, then there could be some kind of thing, market will appear after some time. But I don't think so. By the day in which going, it will be, we lose this, after monsoon only we will be able to start.
Also sir, is the industry gung-ho considering these two circumstances? For example, if you get clearances and the market continues to be low and the export duty stays, are you all keen on
No, nothing will happen, no. When the market is low, export duty is 30%, the total taxes is around 80%. With the 80%, what if people have to make loss? Who will do it? And especially after 3 years of cash flow is not there, nobody will do it. The market is very low. So we hope export duties to go out, number one. Then the approval will come in time. So we expect by October everything will be able to start export. We are expected the export duty to go out earlier, but nothing is happening. So we'll wait. We'll still wait.
So can the raising of this 20 million cap help you to offset these other two factors, the market conditions?
No, at this stage no. Immediately say that 20 million become 30 million,
yeah.
Whether nothing will happen because per ton cost is very less, and export duty also it is 30% on that. So that market will not able to increase the volume will be help in the future. That's all.
Tiatrist Tausif de Navelim has accused Popular Front of India of threatening him over release of Tiatr Atankwadi Part 2. Tausif Sheikh has demanded arrest of a Davoli punch. He said Atankwadi Tiatr raises doubts on the motives of the front. On the other side, Popular Front of India has denied the allegation. The front says they had met Tausif to inform him about the activities of Popular Front of India.
The Tiatr Atankwadi Part 2 is amidst controversy. Tiatrist Tausif de Navelim alleged that members of Popular Front of India threatened him not to show the Tiatr.
तांचे मेन इंटेंशन कितें आसा हे ते युनिट कितें सेटअप करपाक सोदता आनी गोंयकारांक जाणा जावपाक जाय ते पॉप्युलर फ्रंट ऑलरेडी आयली आमच्या गोंयांत जाय ते काम करूंक लागले कळ्ळें न्ही खंयचे पॉलिटिशियन तांकां सपोर्ट करता ते हांव तिंगा दाखयता खंयचे पॉलिटिशियन तेच्या फाटल्यान आसा तेमी तियात पळोवंक जाय आसलो पूण तियात पळयनासतना म्हज्या घरा येवन म्हाका धमकी दिवप हें सारकें न्हय फाल्यां म्हाका कितें जालें म्हज्या बायल भुरग्यांक कितें जालें पॉप्युलर फ्रंट वील बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल आनी भोव करून हांव मागतां गोवा पुलिसा लागीं पंच ऑफ दावोली इमरान म्हणटा ताका आतां अरेस्ट करचो ना जाल्यार हांव रस्त्यार न्हिदतां हंगर स्ट्रायक करतां.
When Prudent contacted President of Popular Front of India, Sheikh Abdul Rauf, he said front members had gone to Tausif to give a brochure of the front, giving info on the activities of the front.
कित्याक तेणें एक फेसबुकाचेर एक एक्सपोज केलें कितें वी वील एक्सपोज पॉप्युलर फ्रंट तर आमी ताका जर कितें कमी नॉलेज आसा जाल्यार ताका आमी कित्याक प्रत्येक वर्सा एवरी इयर रमजानाक आमी एक ब्रोशर रिलीज करतात आमगे सगळे वर्साचे कामाचे बद्दल ते कामाचे ब्रोशर ताका दिवपाक गेल्ले रिगार्डींग तेजे तियात्रा बद्दल आमचे कांयच प्रॉब्लम ना तेणें रिलीज करूंक शकता कित्याक प्रत्येक मनशाक व्यूज आसा आपणाचे व्यक्त करपाक आपणागे व्यूज दवरपाक ही इज फ्री टू रिलीज.
After Atankwadi Goyant Naka, this is Tausif's second tiatr engulfed in the controversy facing resistance from the religious groups. Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.